Stop waiting to start. Waiting to start makes it so that you don't start to win today. You don't get closer to your goals. So let's talk about a mindset shift. Waiting for perfection or waiting for the perfect moment or the right time to act usually leads in us missing opportunities. Many people delay their goals, hopes, conditions on, things will improve, things will get better when I feel like it, all of those different things. Well, none of those things are true. The truth is that success is already waiting for you. It's already the perfect timing for you to go ahead and do what you need to do. You need to change your mind and stop waiting to win. You can transform your life and open the doors to all types of possibilities by just taking an action, learning from your mistakes, finding what it is that you've done wrong, and then making corrections so that you don't repeat those errors. So why is waiting hold you back? Waiting and feeling safe because you want to avoid risk or uncertainty is always a surefire plan to fail. It's a plan to not succeed. Yet safety is also an illusion. It's an illusion that most people think is real. It really isn't. There is no perfect time to start a business. There is no perfect time to start communicating with your spouse or your business partners or your family, or to reconnect with people that you've been wanting to reconnect with. All that ends up happening is that another day goes by. So we need to get around that. We need to look at the common reasons why people wait and then start removing them from our habits, start changing our habits. So the fear of failure is one thing that always comes up for people. Then there's also perfectionism. Stop worrying about being perfect. There's no such thing as perfection. The other is a lack of confidence, and then the external circumstances that come up. Waiting for a better condition or approval from somebody. These are things that are going to hold you back and keep you from finding success that you actually yearn for, or the success that you deserve and you want in your life. Now, how to shift your mindset and start winning? It's really simple. One, you need to set clear, achievable goals. Those goals don't have to be big. They can be small. Just small things that start you on your path to moving forward, defining what winning is for you, and then go forward with that. The next is you need to focus on progress, not perfection. Focus on the things that are going to move you forward. The things that you're not good at, see if you can find somebody else that's good at those things, and focus on the things that you are good at as you move forward. The next is take immediate action, which is kind of what we're really talking about. Immediate action means that you're going to go ahead and start doing whatever it is that you need to do today, this moment. Be it that you need to take the first step, which be sending an email, or making a phone call, or researching on a topic, or taking action while you feel that creative energy within you, and that will also reduce your anxiety and help you to move forward. Next is reframing failure into feedback. So reframe your failure as feedback. Use that information, use that experience as an opportunity for you to learn rather than for a reason for you to quit. Each challenge teaches you something valuable, something that moves you closer to your success and to your goal. The next is surround yourself with support and also people that have already done it. If you know somebody that's already climbed the mountain that you want to climb, talk to that person. Talk to a bunch of people that you know that have already won at that particular game. However, the people that you talk to people that are similar to where you were at the time when you started. All right? A lot of people, unfortunately, once they reach a certain goal, they forget that where they started from might be different. Now, mind you, talking to them is still going to be helpful, but you need to try to talk to people who understand the struggle, understand your point of view as in where you are, and get from them how they conquered those goals. Yes, times change, but the basics pretty much stay the same. But those real life examples and those people that you can bring into your life as mentors can help you greatly to move forward, can help you gratefully to reach your goals, can give you somebody that you can throw stuff at and use them as a sounding board when you have a problem. Now, if you don't know those people, reach out to them. Sometimes you'll get that from books. You got people that can tell you their experience, and then you can kind of take that and move use it to move backwards. You know, use their present self, work that backwards to create the present self that you want to create. So use the future, as in your dreams, goals, and what you want to accomplish, and then work it backwards or reconstruct. Reconstruct what it is that you want to do. Now I want to give you just a couple more really practical tips to maintain that winning mindset as you move forward. One, create a daily routine. Understand again, there's going to be times where you don't meet your timelines. If you don't meet a timeline, just move it up, but try to meet all of your timelines. Next one is use reminders. Use reminders to keep you focused and keep your action steps moving forward. Next would be visualize success. Again, where do you want to be in the future? Look at that future self and look at the things that you know that you need to do, or learn what you need to know to move yourself forward. Understand that what you're trying to create is something new. So it's something that you're trying to create new, something that you're trying to create from scratch. There isn't necessarily a game plan. But if you fail forward, what happens? You're still moving forward. And visualization of that success could be a start to get you where you want to start to go, to get you in the direction so that you can start moving forward. Next is you want to limit your distractions. There's all types of people that are going to be naysayers, they're going to get in your way, things are going to happen, the car's going to break down, the refrigerator's going to not work, you know, the wife or the husband's going to call you saying that this is going on, something's going to happen with your kids, or just stuff if you're not married, stuff that's going to happen that's outside of that, that's going to get in your way. Understand that those limited distractions, you need to address them, and or if you can eliminate them, totally eliminate them. And that way that you can move forward with your life. Next is reflect weekly. Okay? Every day you need to kind of look at what it is that you've done and then make a little list and then review that list weekly on what you accomplished, what you didn't accomplish, what things you weren't that good at but you want to get better, or people that can help you to knock those things out so that the things that you're not good at don't become roadblocks to your success, roadblocks to you getting started and getting where you want to be. So the power of starting now is very powerful. Don't waste any more time, especially if you're 40 or over. Don't waste any more time, because the more time that you waste, then that's the more time that you've wasted to reach your dreams. That's the less time that you have to accomplish the goals that you want to accomplish. So waiting for the right moment often feels like it's the right thing to do, but waiting means that you're waiting forever. The best time to start winning is today. Every step forward builds confidence and opens new possibilities. Remember that progress is more important than perfection. Progress is more important than perfection. Don't let tomorrow get in the way of your success today. So take some initiative, take some action, and start doing something to shift yourself, your mindset forward from hesitation to action. Stop waiting, start winning, and take control of your journey now. This is Mr. Z Inspires, and as always, guys, have a great day. I hope that this was helpful. Peace.